Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest trends and innovative ideas for home decoration. Today we have something truly mesmerizing in store for you. We are diving into the world of home decor where mirror takes center stage. Get ready to be inspired as we explore the captivating beauty and transformative power of these mirrors. Mirror, often overlooked as more fundamental pieces, hold an incredible potential to elevate the aesthetic of any living space. They can easily add depth, light, and touch of a glamour to your home decor. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we delve deeper into the world of design, architecture, and everything in between. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified.